In this video, we're going to be talking about Multivac. We're going to be analyzing the price of Multivac to see where price is going. Basically, giving a technical analysis on Multivac to see as the price is continuing to drop. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to 600 sub. As well as that, before investing into Multivac, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see here on the daily, that Multivac is currently down 2.53% at the time of recording. You can see here on the daily chart that Multivac has pretty much, we were starting off to become bullish, and then from later on during the day we did have the initial break of structure towards the downside, and we have pretty much became bearish again. It's not looking good for Multivac. Even if we check on the weekly as well to see how Multivac has been doing, you can see here that we were pretty much bearish, and then we did have the initial pump towards upside, which was really parabolic. And then from then onwards, you can see that price did come back down, and we've not had any more parabolic, pretty much any more parabolic movement for price essentially. Even if we're checking on monthly, you can see that here we did have the initial break of structure, and then then price is come back down to this demand zone, but hopefully price can respect it. But if not, then we're going to be making a few L's this month essentially on this coin, as this coin has pretty much died essentially. You could use the word dead. Multivac has become dead pretty much. You can see here that from here we pretty much we should be moving like this, like having some major structure changes and stuff, but so far we just been bearish, man. It's not looking good for Multivac. Legit, this coin has legit turned into a shit coin essentially, and the team are just shit. The team are shit, but they've got the technology, but they just aren't putting any work into it. Like, how do they expect a token like Multivac to succeed when pretty much the team is pretty much full of dog shit essentially? You can see how much price has dropped since the last owner of this coin left. So when did I can't remember when the owner left, but it was roughly around 20, I think it was about New Year's time, like there, like roughly around here, this area. And then from then onwards, the price just dropped. Legit, we've not had any bullish momentum come through into the market, and this coin has legit just died out essentially. But hopefully the team can pick themselves up and probably do some shit, as they do have a really strong community, and we're just gonna have to wait and see for the Multivac holders, as this coin does have a good future, but it just depends. We just need a new team that actually that actually care about the token itself. But even if you check on Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is bullish, and then you can see that the overall coin Multivac is bearish. I think loads and loads of people are starting to sell their Multivac, as they know that pretty much the developers are doing shit. They've got the best technology, but they aren't using it to themselves. They've got a strong community, but it looks like the community is starting to get fed up of their stuff, as the price is continuing to drop. So Multivac does not look good for the next few weeks and months. So we're just gonna have to wait and see and how the overall team does develop. But in my opinion, I feel like if they don't do anything now, this coin would go straight to zero essentially. Multivac does definitely have pretty much I feel like it will become shit essentially, dead essentially. That's the word I like to say. But it just depends on the overall developers and stuff. You're just gonna have to wait and see. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and peace.